Anyway, yeah. So I've opened it up na hindi lang roles ang titignan namin. We're looking at people who can also be part of the production team. Limited kami eh. Medyo we have to tighten budget kasi budgetary wise indie tayo, so independent film tayo, so we're playing around those. So you can also do the character and be part of the production team, why not? So yeah. Taking note of your backgrounds, no? Okay. DIY. Anyway, your contact information is in there.
Yes, sir.
And I'll be messaging. We'll be messaging.
Yes, sir.
Pag nag-convene na yun para sa action production team.
Sige, sir.
So the shoot will be by January, mga middle of January or third week. Yes. Cinemalaya,
Settings, sir. Dito ba setting?
Lubuag.
Sa Lubuagan mismo. Okay.
So I'll be talking. Yeah, sumot lang ako. Actually, nag-initial information ako nung I'll be talking to Awichon. So Awichon Cultural Village will be parang magiging lock-in. Doon tayo ikot for the shoot. Since maraming bahay, may mga structures doon, so magiging different angles of the story. Yeah. So I'll see. Sabi ko nga, I'm taking note, especially kung willing na mag-multitask.
To be honest, sir, in my committee,
theater.
In my committee, sir, kas lang i-look forward ko na Orlando Gizay Castel, Gizay na lang pa nagsulot di cultural kasi we're trainers din and part of GOMFest. When so trainers committee cultural groups. So
yeah.
They can consider me.
Yeah, sige.
In the music.
Sige, pwede yan. And ano na rin, in acknowledgement that Awichon is owned by Saklag. So si Sir Saklag is Gamaba, Gawad Manlilikha ng Bayan for music and dance, cultural music and dance. So yun. Tignan natin yung naging usapan doon. Hindi pa ako nakapag hanggang pa yung nakasumot ni Sir Saklag nung kaya ko ngayon nagbaling nga in collaboration with Planta since matanda na rin siya. So siya yung magbibigay ng first say on the dances and music. The other one is sino pa yun? Consider mo ngayon that tayo gamin marami tayong consideration sa community. Sige. So yung part of GOMFest God kani manang jo.
Yes, kami nagiti youth conveners nga labay na nga to handle ko man nga fully day kwata. It's about time may pasta no. Marami nga sige lang ko jo ta do pati.
Nabanugan ba naman ang jo? Anyway, yeah.
Sir.
Handyong and Guil will be
Part of
no. They're actually part of the other two films for Cinemalaya. Serge La Cuesta. Anyway, even the auditions, ipatukmot lang i-share ko. Handlang for the wedding dance. So there are 3 films that's going to be shot in the Cordilleras na part of Cinemalaya. That's why so we'll see. Sarge La Cuesta is the errand. It's going to be shot in Baguio and the road's going to Baguio. The road going to Baguio. So it's at It's a traveling film. Traveling part na manggagaling Manila going to Baguio and going back. The Errand. The other one is Gulay Lang Manong by BC Amparado. So, hindi rin sila makapunta eh. So, kasi biglaan. We just had the grand auditions last Friday. JCCP. Actually, Black Box Theater. So I had to go up to Lagos because Monday and Tuesday yung auditions dito. Yun lang. Yeah. Baka dapat mabagaan yung may try to audition. I'm particular with, I'm looking for, since you've read the Wedding Dance, so wala pa rin sa Awiho.
5'7" ganun eh.
Oh. Ang ano ko kasi, actually, pwede naman, sana, no? Ang ano ko lang kasi is, pag hindi siya 5'7", hindi na siya mag-stand out sa crowd. He should stand out.
Takdagan. Sidog.
Yun ang reason. Ang daming nagre-react, sabi ko, nagpaisumot, diba? No, in-describe mo ti Kalinga. Nagtatayag ko, nagtitira. Ano yan?
It's true naman, parang
pero they are not told that in handsome per se. So, maraming nag-audition sa Manila na naka-hidden ang height. I mean, they're wearing elevators. Sabi ko, sorry, hindi naman nakasapato si Awiho. Magpapaa siya. Sino dati contact na gayong ko ni ko? Makama mo yun, Mr. Alex Tumapa. Ada contact ko kanya na? Nag-reply ka niya. I need him for one role. Kuma. So natibay sa napipinpoint ko for one role. Is going to be the father of Lumnay. So yung face-to-face moment dapat ma-match yung energy of the father of Lumnay and Awiho. Kasi hindi yun define naman part of the story, no short story, but those are parts of what's going to come up in the film.
I-try ni sir may contact ni Manong Alex Talikila. Sa City Hall gaminti ko anak din sir. City Hall nga gisorso naman lang. Cultural group na.
Sun sa ganti nakita niya City Hall.
City Hall.
Anong kita di last time?
City Hall.
Doon, ije nagkuhan niya cultural de.
So, yung mismo di City Hall. Right. Mabalik. You can contact. Nag-message ako eh. At i-reply na. Sige. Baka ada ka ni Vladimir kay Abbas. Try ko pero patulong niya.
Okay, sige sir.
Awiyaw lang.
Importanteng Awiyaw. Pero yung Awiyaw nga, I mean, define na yung kay could Sir Alex have been younger? Actually, pwede siya sa Awiyaw. Pero iniiwasan ko yung sobrang laki naman ng age gap. No, ang agrupo pa nga ko. So we already have chosen the Lumnay. We have already found Madulimay. Wala pa si Awiyaw.
Kasi yung wala.
Pero yeah, Lumnay is around 25. Madulima is the same, almost the same age. Awiyo will be around 10 to 15 years age older.
Okay.
Kasi ganun ang kultura natin. Generally, nagiging ganun yung age gap. Kasi,
Parang
diba?
pinakawat ko si story kasi sa bahay depende, sir.
Kanya tayo naman,
Age na eh.
yeah, medyo close yung age from the story, no?
Mm.
If we have to look into the context or the nuances of the actual culture, no? Generally, medyo older yung guy na agrugi nga agpaasawa tayo at the point na agrugi nga bumanasa. So 15 adadan tayo kasawa, di ba? Nag-asawa ti babae at 15. Then this period ngayon lang tayo medyo close natin yung age gap. And we tend to question kung below 18 force them to get married. Meron na tayong mga social pressures different from the kind of social pressures of the past. Hindi naman natin, so kinos kung magkit di, so nyopan ko di 30. It's 25 ang 25 yung Lumnay. Yung close ko, 5 years. Pwede na rin. No, a little bit mas mature, better, but not too matured. Like, father yung age na, like that. You can actually because we have pegged for the national auditions, we have pegged was Arky Bagatsing. No? We're going to take established actors, no? So we could look at Arky Bagatsing. Tall, dark, and matangos sa ilong.
Ni Raymond Bagatsing.
Arky.
Ay sa bali di
Ni
Raymond.
ading na.
Ay ading na di.
Ni Raymond Bagatsing, 50 years old yan. 50 plus.
50 plus
He's
kasi.
too old. Nagbida ng actor, so na 1995 pa lang ang estudyante. Estudyante, Aki. Estudyante tayo niya.
Good.
95. So, yun. Pero the younger brother is Arky Bagatsing. That was the peg. But definitely not the budget. Mahal si Arky. Pero ganun sad. Mga ganung age look. So, pwede pa rin syempre, no? Kasi dyan nga, age look, uray 20 years old, magkakagusto, di ba? Parang ganun lang, when you're looking for nuances for the love thing, or even the crush thing. Dati mapanunot yun.
Nag-iisip na nga kami, sir. Hindi ko na doon mga mahulog. Nadadali ng pasay.
Ay, nagulugdan. Utiligat na niya. Most nagadunti ko eh. Nagadunti theater nga. Theater ti Baguio nga actually, marami nag-migrate. Canada lahat ng directions. Sana may mga nandito pa.
Hanggang may nasa ano na sila sa McLean.
Hindi, okay lang naman if they're in McLean kasi hanggang, sa December pala, December naman yung
Sa Baguio.
McLean. and at least minimal pa yung ka acting workshops.
Ni Angel.